As an esthetician or skincare specialist, selling more dermaplaning treatments can significantly boost your revenue while helping clients achieve their skincare goals. Dermaplaning has gained popularity for its ability to exfoliate the skin and remove fine vellus hair, leaving the face smooth and radiant. However, just like any other service, success in selling dermaplaning treatments depends on your ability to effectively communicate its benefits and create trust with your clients. Here's a guide on how to do just that. Educate your clients. One of the biggest hurdles in selling dermaplaning treatments is ensuring clients understand the procedure and its benefits. Many clients may be unfamiliar or even skeptical about dermaplaning, so it's crucial to position yourself as the expert. Explain the process in simple terms, highlighting how dermaplaning exfoliates the skin by gently scraping away the dead skin cells and fine hair, leaving the skin looking smooth, youthful, and radiant. Show clients before and after photos or videos of past dermaplaning treatments so they can see the immediate, visible benefits. If possible, offer a short demonstration on a small area of their skin or even dermaplaning as a complimentary add-on for first-time clients. Once they experience the results firsthand, they'll be more inclined to book a full treatment. Highlight the benefits. Dermaplaning has multiple benefits, and your client should understand these to see the value in booking treatments regularly. One of the most attractive aspects of dermaplaning is the immediate glowing complexion it provides. Clients will walk out of your spa with smoother, more radiant skin. After dermaplaning, skincare products penetrate deeper into the skin, making them more effective. This is an excellent selling point for clients who invest in skincare products. Many clients will love how easily makeup applies after dermaplaning, with a smoother finish and fewer fine lines and peach fuzz interfering with the look. Emphasize that the procedure is safe, non-invasive, and has no downtime, making it a convenient addition to their skincare routine. Build trust. Trust is key when selling any skincare treatment, and building a relationship with your client is critical to repeat business. Take the time to conduct a thorough consultation with each client, assessing their skin type and discussing their goals. This will help you tailor the dermaplaning treatments to their specific needs, making the service more personalized and valuable. Share your success stories and client testimonials on your website, social media, or even in person. When potential clients see how satisfied others are with the service, they'll become more likely to book. Showcasing your expertise is critical. Clients want to feel that they're in capable hands, so highlight your experience and certifications in dermaplaning. Incorporate dermaplaning into packages. Rather than selling dermaplaning as a standalone service, bundle it with other popular treatments or offer it as part of a skincare package. This can encourage clients to try it along with services they already trust. Offer dermaplaning as an add-on to a facial. Since dermaplaning enhances the absorption of products, it can make facials more effective, giving clients even better results. Create packages that include dermaplaning as part of seasonal skincare routines. For example, before special events, holidays, or seasonal changes, you can offer discounts or special pricing on dermaplaning treatments. Reward loyal clients who book multiple dermaplaning sessions. This not only encourages repeat business, but also builds long-term relationships with your clients. Leverage social media. Social media is a powerful tool for showcasing your dermaplaning treatments and building a client base. Posting before and after photos of your clients can help potential customers see the visible results of dermaplaning. With client consent, share these on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Create short videos that demonstrate the procedure, explain its benefits, or show client reactions. Videos are especially effective for educating potential clients and answering common questions. Encourage your clients to share their post-treatment glow on social media. User-generated content adds authenticity and helps you spread the word about your services. Upsell and cross-sell. Maximize your revenue by upselling and cross-selling to clients who already trust you and are invested in their skincare routine. After a dermaplaning treatment, recommend specific skincare products to enhance and maintain the results. Clients are more likely to purchase these products when they know it'll complement their treatment. Consider offering a membership program where clients pay a monthly fee for regular dermaplaning treatments. This guarantees ongoing revenue and encourages clients to stay consistent with their skincare routine. Suggest other treatments that pair well with dermaplaning, such as chemical peels, hydrating facials, or LED light therapy. This not only enhances the overall experience, but also increases the total ticket value of each appointment. Follow up and maintain relationships. Consistent follow ups can convert one time clients into loyal repeat customers. Provide personal aftercare advice and send follow up message to check in to see how their skin is doing post treatment. This creates a sense of care and professionalism, encouraging clients to return for more sessions. Use automated appointment reminders or notification when it's time for their next dermaplaning session. By keeping dermaplaning top of mind, you increase the chances of regular bookings. Selling more dermaplaning treatments isn't about having good product or service. It's about how well you communicate the value to your clients. Build trust and consistently deliver great results. By educating clients using social proof, leveraging social media, and offering personalized recommendations, you can boost dermaplaning sales and build a loyal customer base for your aesthetics business. Keep these strategies in mind to help your clients achieve glowing skin while growing your bottom line.